How to cancel Cash App card order. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to cancel your Cash App card order. Open Cash App on your device and then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and click on Support. Now on here, click on Something Else. When you see the screen, scroll down and click on Cash Card again. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Contact Support. Then click on Not About a Transaction. And from here, click on Chat to get in touch with Cash App's customer support. Now, explain your entire situation to the Cash App representative. Perhaps you're away on your vacation and won't be able to receive the card. Whatever the reason could be, hopefully the Cash App customer support will assist you in fixing this issue. If they do help, please give this video a thumbs up to see more content like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.